This is Jason Electronics Repair. I'm Jason. Welcome to my ER. Today we are unboxing a fume extractor that I got because I was running into some issues with my old one, and I will discuss the issues I was having here in a bit. Let's take this out. This is from the Amazon, and it is a overhead one that is miniature. So the issue I was having was that it wasn't. I was drawing air across my board and causing my board to cool down. So I got a one that I can place over the work, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here in a second. Let me get this out of here. This is the power cable. So, and this one is adjustable also. And we'll take a look at inside with the filter and all that good stuff here in a second. So it's just a regular US cable, 110 volt. Let me just plug this in here. Extractor. New one here. All right. So the light is on, so we are good to go. Messed up my mat. So this is the unit here. Open from the sides. So it's got a carbon filter in it. It's like so. A little piece of cardboard in there to keep it from falling down. And it is, I would assume that it is the same type as the other unit I have, just not so it draws across my work. And let me show you what I'm talking about, and then we'll turn this on. So with the board holder I use this board holder for my Nintendo Switches. And what it does is it creates an airspace everywhere. It creates an airspace below underneath the board here. And what was happening was, if I switch to this side camera here, and I have my board here under the scope, like so, under the scope, and I would put my fume extractor here, and I'd be working on it, it would draw air across the top and along under the bottom of the board, and it was causing my board to cool down, and it honestly made me believe that my equipment wasn't doing the job it was supposed to do. So I got this one that I can direct above my work. So, and it's got a knob on it. First, I'm going to plug it in. That would help. And we're going to plug it in here. And hopefully that didn't kill my video. And so the mic picks it up a little bit, but it's got adjustable speed control on it. You can go real low or real high. So I'm going to tuck this back in here, away from my air hose, and then I can position it so that it's over my work like so. So now I can solder and have it pull up through there like so. Now I'm able to work under the scope, and instead of drawing air along the side of the board, it's pulling it from the top. And, you know, if I'm in here with my iron, it's just going to lift the fumes away. So very small, very compact. It's exactly what I was looking for. I may put it up top so that it's more directly above and not in my corner space over here. But that is the fume extractor. It may get moved to a separate location. I'm not sure yet. But that is going to do it for this video, guys. If you want to support the channel, there are links in the description to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.